Roll ang gamit?
Ay, makunggan ang sarap eh.
Kada-off-road. Hoy! Kamusta ni Mama?
Gamay ra mong dala manggot.
Malibangin lang.
Di ka na ning tulay padung sa Sanggit. Sarap. Abot na yun.
Ano, tama duro ka nun. Tama din mo. Oh, pangwasan ka nun dito sa ilang kampasa. May nanginday. Oh, kapag. Wala rin! Malaki na lang ang bingkay. Ano, gitandit? Uy, hindi mo na. Oh, dala! Tama na. Tama na ng kon. Tom and Jerry. Jadi sering kalau muka itu muka bapak itu muka. Aman.
Ayo ba tinapulan?
Wala may motor mo. Ipain ko ng bulit mo.
Ano mo video? Sige lang. Okay.
Walay likha mo hay.
Ano ba itong kamerayan ng Brad kay? Kala, radio gamay. Sa ba naman na nagsasabi ba?
Good. Na, ipakita po sa record. Klaro ba? Diban mo klaro.
Butang ba ko kay na labi ja.
Ayos, kita na.
Ayaw kadukot sa kan.
Kita na.
Kapas mo. Mana po.
Asan yung mga ka ba?
Hey, this is Pastor Jeff from World Mission Outlet Philippines. We would like to thank you guys for all of your support. It's been 4 days now since this disaster had started, and it's been 4 days now also that we distributed food and also water, because as of now today the first demands of the people now are water, because of lack of water. Because we have just received the report that it will take 31 days to repair the main source of the water here in Cagayan de Oro. And that's why from different places of Mindanao, also in Region 10, there are many volunteers that are being distributing waters now, but still we are still in the high demand of water because as you can see in the pictures, there are only limited bottles and those supply of water that are being distributed to the people, donated to the people. And so, but still we're looking forward for more support and also for you guys, sir. We're so thankful that this will not happen, this will not be realized without you guys. So again, thank you so much, and also for some other connections there in Florida, to Pastor Steve. Thank you so much for all the support that you have given to us here in Mindanao. This is me, Pastor Ika, and my brother, Pastor Alvin, and the rest of the team. We're working together, we're working hard in order to provide what the people really need, but still the demands are so high. Because, like I said, as I said a while ago, this time it will take a month of giving food just to for people to survive. So again, that's all the updates that we can give you now as of now of today. Thank you very much. God bless.
Dapat bili sa multikas ka. Tiga ba? Dali nila. Kadali na kayo dito. Wala